thanks that you asked this question. This writ petition is on the appointment of the Chief Vigilance Officer of NEHU, which when appointed, we already objected to it. We have told the person concerned, and maybe sometimes we feel bad because this person is also our member. And the appointment of part-time CVO has a set procedure which has been mandated by CBC and endorsed by the Ministry of Education. And we have letters that clearly says that the part-time CVO will be appointed from a panel of 3 names. So VC have to invite application, which he did when he was here. But he didn't do anything after that because he didn't want to do it in a transparent manner. So this appointment of professor from education as CPO, we objected because she was just nominated, which is totally in violation of the CBC guidelines and the ministry's memorandum, which clearly says that you have to have 3 names, senior enough, who are not attached in the advertisement, in the tendering process, in the selection. They should not be involved. They should be free of all charges, if there is any, with their CV, with their biodata, and also an endorsement from the university has to go to the CBC, Delhi, through the ministry. In this case, no panel, no invitation of application, just cherry-picked somebody. And that's why we said, and that's why we told our members also that please don't take up this kind of appointment, because see, for Shukla, it's nothing new. He has been known to violate all rules and regulations for the last 4.5, 5 years in NEHU. Whether it is the cadre recruitment rules for non-teaching staff, UGC regulation 2018, all Government of India leave rules, all Act, Statute and Ordinance of NEHU, including the probational period that these teachers are suffering. So association has nothing else but to go to the court and get this appointment quashed. And on that, NEHUTA has filed this writ petition to say that this CVO appointment is totally illegitimate because it does not follow the laid down procedure. Shukla has violated the laid down procedure for appointment of part-time, and these are part-time, mind you. Generally, in other institutes, you may have a regular CVO with salary and so on. This is part-time.